I will talk about how can you disable new followers notifications on your Threads app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just go down, clicking this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications here. So when you just click here on notifications, you come to next zip here. Then you just click here on threads into replace. You just click on it here. So then you come to next zip, just go down here. Click here on additional options in system settings, just click on it. Then you come to next zip here. So you just click here on notification categories. You go down here, you come here to your followers. So you just click in this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's when your followers notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking